All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Sunday preposition. So ago, ago. Yeah, before now. Oh, before now. Sometime, something from earlier. Yeah. I went there 2 months ago. Yeah, 5 months ago I was there. I last saw him 3 months ago. Yeah. It worked 2 days ago. What happened? What happened? How cool is that? Yeah. I went there 2 years ago. They were all there just 1 week ago. I think he saw me 1 week ago. It has been like that. It's been like that for 1 week since 2 days ago. Yeah, it's been like that since 2 days ago. Yeah. Yeah. She was there 3 years ago. Yeah. He spoke to her 2 days ago. I went there 3 months ago. She was with me almost 6 months ago. They were together. They were last together. Like, wow, almost 3 years ago. Yeah, wow. A lot of things have changed. Yeah. I am planning to go again. The last time was 10 years ago. So I will go to the Lake District in England. The last time I was there was around 20 years ago. Yes, I really want to go again. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When will you see them again? I was there 3 days ago when you last saw them. Yeah. So when I was there 6 months ago, the rules were different. Yeah. See, back then, the weather also was different. It was sunnier and more relaxed. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use ago in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.